So I just opened the box and this is the dishes. They're absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I can't tell you how lovely they are. The size is beautiful as well, and this colors are really vibrant and just brings some joy. So they are, let's have a look. It says microwave oven, dishwasher safe, environmentally friendly, oh, and lead free. Oh, I didn't know anything had lead in it nowadays. So absolutely lovely. Here's a fork. Let me put a fork in. I got the big ones, so it kind of gives you an idea. So there's a big fork. Let me put in a little fork so you can kind of see the differences. So it's absolutely lovely. I'm very, very happy with this. Thank you so much.
Excellent selection of these bowls. I'm very excited to get them, and they're a nice size, as you can see, as compared to my hand.